Hi everyone. Today's topic is matrices, in which today I'll be talking about equality of matrices. So first of all, let me define what is equality of matrices. Let A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij be two matrices. Be two matrix. Then A is equal to B is defined when number one, order of A is same as order of B. Second, each Aij is equal to Bij for all Ij. Let us try to understand this by taking an example. Let us take an example. Let A is equal to X, Y, Z and B is equal to 2, -1, 3. As per previous discussion, you know what is the order of this matrix A. The order of the matrix is 3 cross 1 and the order of the matrix B is 3 cross 1. So the first criteria of talking about the equality of two matrices, this only. Order of the two matrix must be same. The meaning of second is defined as A11 is equal to B11. That is the meaning of Aij equal to Bij. To explain it more, this implies this is A11 and this is B11. So this implies X is equal to 2. Similarly, A21 will be equal to B21, means this is equal to this. That is, Y is equal to -1 and A31 is equal to B31. This implies Z is equal to 3. That is, this Z is equal to 3. This is the meaning of equality of matrices, or what I have explained to you. Let me revise it so that we can continue further. A is equal to B exists only when order of A is same as order of B and each Aij equal to Bij, which I have explained using this example. To explain it further, let me take a different example. in which we will be talking in detail about equality of matrix. To explain it, let me take another example. Example number 2. Find the value of x, y, and z if x plus y plus z x plus z, y plus z is equal to 9, 5, 7. Let us try to understand this equality of matrix by another example. So, first condition is when you are talking about equality of matrix, first condition is order of A has to be same as order of B. So what is the order of this? The order of this is again 3 cross 1 and order of this is 3 cross 1. Right. So first condition is verified, that order is same. The second condition is each Aij equal to Bij. So here the second condition implies x plus y plus z is equal to 9. That is this. Call it 1. Second is x plus z is equal to 5. Call it 2. That is x plus z is equal to 5. Third is y plus z is equal to 7. So this, let us call it 3. Now, since the question is to find x, y, z, and we have three equations to solve for x, y, and z, you can solve these three equations according to your choice, but I'll be solving it as per my view. So add 2 and 3 as we did in class 10, linear equation in 2 variable, 3 variable, like that. So when you add it, you will get x plus y plus z plus z is equal to 5 plus 7, 12. And this you can replace from here. X plus y plus z is equal to 9. So this implies 9 plus z is equal to 12. So z is equal to 3. So this is your first answer. Now after getting z, you can put it, you can call it 4, and using 4 in 3. Using 4 in 3 implies y plus z is equal to 7. So this implies y plus 3 is equal to 7, which further implies y is equal to 4. So this is the value of y. You can call it 5. Now the only value left is x. So you can find out using 5 in 2 implies x plus z is equal to 5, which further implies x plus 3 is equal to 5, which implies x is equal to 2. So this is the third value. Now we need to check whether our answer is correct or not. So we got x, y and z. Let us put it in left hand side of 1. So put, this is optional. You need not to put x, y and z in 1. We get 2 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 9. So this implies 9 is equal to 9. Verification is done. So this is how, after simplifying, you can check your answer also by putting into any one of the given equation, right? So this is about equality of matrix, right? Let us take another example. I'll be talking different type of examples so that you understand the technique of solving different type of conditions. Since we have not done the operation, so I'll be talking very simple examples. Example number 3. If x minus y, 2y, 2y plus z, x plus y is equal to 1, 4, 9, 5. Find, this is a very popular type of question asked in CBSE board exam. Find the value of x plus y plus z. Now you must be worried, thinking this earlier, if you look at, you will never find this type of question in the exam book. But since board is every time changing the pattern, so now they are asking this type of question in 1 mark. So in 1 mark, they have changed the trend of asking the question. Initially they were asking x, y and z. Now they have changed the trend of finding x plus y plus z, so that there is only one answer, and you get, if your answer is correct, you get full mark for 1 mark question. Now solution is same. Now I'll be not talking about what are the condition. Let us straight away solve, and you will be solving this question by observing what is the best way to calculate or to solve the matrices. Obviously this is 2 cross 2, this is 2 cross 2, so first condition is satisfied. Now second condition is aij equal to bij, for which you can see your preference. Here I'll be seeing the preference here. This is a very easy to simplify. So you can call it A, and when you name it, it is easy to solve. A implies 2y is equal to 4. You must understand I am talking about 1, 2 and 1, 2 here. So your corresponding element has to be verified, right? So this is 1, 2 and this is also 1, 2. So both sides, the position of the element must be same. So you get y is equal to 2. So your value, first value is there. You can call it 1. Again, I will be equating this x plus y, since this is 2, 2. So I'll be equating with this. So you get x plus, I have to see where it is easy and convenient to get my solution. So I will attack on that part. So x plus y is equal to 5. Y is already there. So it will give me x plus 2 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 3. And now you call it 2. After getting y and x, I have to find out z. So z is here. So z is 2, 1. So I have to equate this 2, 1 with 2, 1. Right? So further, you get 2y plus z is equal to 9. Now you have the value of y. Put it here, you get 2 into 2 plus z is equal to 9, which further implies 4 plus z is equal to 9. So z is equal to 5. In board exam, most of the students don't read the question properly. So what they do this much exercise and leave the answer here itself. So your whole effort is gone, because you will get 0 if you are putting this, if you are simplifying and you leave answer here, because the question is asked find x plus y plus z. So you have to complete the solution. So you have to write now x plus y plus z is equal to 3 plus 2 plus 5. So if your answer is this, you will get 1 mark. If you leave the answer here, so you can understand how much you have to be cautious about what is asked in the question. If you leave the answer here, you will get 0. Or if it depends on the mercy of, normally we get 0, we give 0. And if you have to attempt this question, step also to get full mark, 1 mark, right? So this you have to take care while attempting the question in board exam. This is the last example which I'll be doing for you to understand the concept of equality of matrix. This is the last example. Example number 4. This says find the value of matrix X such that A plus B, where A is equal to 2, 0, 1, 3, minus 1, 0, and B is equal to 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, 1. I hope you have. Before you start solving the question, you must verify what is given. The order of A and order of B is same. This is 2 cross 3 and this is 2 cross 3, because when you are doing A plus B, at that time also you should have order same. That is a condition for adding the two matrices. And the second condition of adding two matrices, when you add a plus b, a11 is added to b11, a12 is added to b12, and likewise. So order has a very important role in solving this equality of matrix. So let us talk about solution. So it is a very simple question. I have already given you the hint. What you will be doing? You will be putting a. A is 2, 0, 1, 3 minus 1, 0, plus b 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 1, plus x. Mind it, this x is also matrix, and here I need to explain you that order of this matrix is also same as this. The order of this matrix is this is 2 cross 3, this is 2 cross 3. So order of the matrix X is also 2 cross 3, and this is a 0 matrix. Mind it, this is not 0, this is a 0 matrix. Normally it seems it is 0, but it is not 0. It is a 0 matrix of order 2 cross 3. If it is not a 0 matrix of the same order, you cannot talk about equality of matrix, right? So let us continue. So this gives you, as I talked to you, 2 plus 2, which is 4, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 3 plus 0 is 3, minus 1 plus 2 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, plus x is equal to 0. Since this is also matrix, so there are, when we'll be talking about the properties and all that, that time I'll be talking about how it goes to that side and all that. But right now you can understand that this matrix goes to that side and it is subtracted from here. So this is minus time 4, 1, 0, 3, 1, 1, or you can put this minus inside, and you can do that way. You can do it by adding or transferring there. You can do as per 4 minus 1, 0, minus 3, minus 1. So this is your X matrix. As I told you that the order of the matrix is also going to be 2 cross 3, then this. Now there is something for you to try. I hope this thing is clear to you. Now you, if anything is not clear, you can uh, rewind this and see as many times as you wish. It will be there with you. So I'm giving you 2 questions to try yourself, and that finishes. This is try yourself, right? Because when you will be learning, of course you can refer to NCERT book. There are so many questions to refer. So there are 2 questions for you. Number 1 is solve for x, y, and z if 2x plus y. For practice, you can refer to as many books as you wish, because in the beginning of your study, you can refer as many books as you wish. But as you proceed further, you have to restrict yourself to number of books. The second question is solve for x and y. I'm just giving you two questions so that what you will be learning can be practiced. Solve for x and y. If x square minus 2x 3y minus 2 y square minus 3y 4x is equal to 3 minus 8 10 12. So these are the two questions to try yourself to understand the concept which you have learned today, and please be as many times you can refer back to the video to understand wherever you feel slight confused, and attempt these questions before proceeding to the further topic. You may like, you may subscribe my channel so to visit my next video on algebra of matrices, where I'll be talking about how matrices are added, subtracted, multiplied, all those. So operational part you can see in my next video. Thank you very much.